Assalamu alaikum, I am Zubair, you are watching Techy Matter. Now I'll show you how to get the payment out of Microsoft Excel. So let's see how PMT works. Here you can see I've written an example so that you can easily understand. You can see in my example Mr. Zubair, a person who wants to buy a car with a down payment of 90,000 with a purchase price of 250,000, which interest rate is 12% and must be completed within 2 years. So let's see how we can find out the monthly installment with the interest rate using PMT. I have arranged it so that you can easily understand. You can see here the main price of the car, down payment, interest rate and payment duration. Here we will find the monthly installment through PMT using the above information here. So first you have to give an equation here. I'm giving it. Type PMT. See, PMT is written here. Double click on it, or you can type manually PMT. Both are okay. Now look, here is the PMT formula. We will apply the formula from here. I will give a bracket here. We have to pay the interest rate first. This is the interest rate. We will select the interest rate and divide it by 12 because 1 year equals 12 months, then I will give a comma. Now I will give NPER here. You can see here, which means the number of periods. The number of periods is 2. Here is the number of period. With this I will convert it 12 times again in 24 months. I will give comma again. Now this time we will give the present value. The present value is the value obtained by deducting the down payment from the main purchase price. So we will write the main purchase price minus the down payment equal to the present value. Then there is the future value. Now which is not here, we don't need it right now. And there is a type, which means you want to pay the installment at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month. If you want to give the installment at the beginning of the month, then we'll give 1, which is a positive value. Or if you want to give at the end, you will give 0, which is a negative value. Because if you give it at the beginning of the month, the installment will come less. And if you give it at the end, the installment will come more. So we will now end the bracket and press enter. Yes, we got the monthly installment money. Any question? Write down in the comment box. That's all for today. Hit the like button and subscribe for the next video. Till then, be safe.